I literally view this video as a PSA, a public service announcement for XRP. Don't. What are you talking about, Austin? Well, I'm going to tell you. Before I get into this, I want to talk to you about August and September for all of crypto. And this is a prevailing theme that I've been talking about in my videos, and I'm going to continue to talk about it. I think we're going to be here for a while. I think we're going to be in this kind of no man's land, rough water scenario. Those are my metaphors for, you know, the entire crypto market up 1%, down 2, up 2, down 1, and just this kind of no real strong direction. I think because fundamentally fear, uncertainty, and doubt globally in the minds of people who would or can or are investing in crypto, because we don't know which way to turn, who to believe, what talking head on mainstream media do we believe? Are we in a recession globally or here in the United States or not? Is another bad thing going to happen financially in the market? And, you know, like China's Evergrande going out of business and declaring Chapter 15 or not? What is the next big bad piece of bad information, right? That's all out there. And so within that, the PSA, the public service announcement part of this video is this. I love this article in the pink here. Wall Street expert says selling XRP now is like selling Microsoft, Apple stock in early days. I'm going to add on to that. It's like selling Amazon in the early days. It's like selling Netflix in the early days, right? Don't do it. It's not investing advice. You got to do what's right for you. And you know, if you got to pay the bills or pay the rent or whatever it is, or put food on the table, I get that. Number one, don't sell at a loss. If you do not have to sell any crypto right now, do not sell at a loss. Please, 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 please do not do that. I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday, and they were asking, should they sell their XRP? And I'm like, well, what's your cost basis? $1. Why would you sell and take a 50% loss? Well, I don't know. I'm just kind of, you know, worried about it. It's going to come back. XRP will ultimately, in my opinion, be worth $3.06. There's even discussion and very legitimate calls for the fact that by 2030, XRP could be trading at north of $27. So back to this article, selling XRP now is like selling Microsoft, Apple stock in early days, Amazon stock in early days, meaning you bought it early and then sold it early, and you didn't really get the full benefit of the value and the ramp up over time. Again, not investing advice, right? This is what I'm doing. I'm not selling, but I think this is a good message to be talking about, especially in light of the current situation of where we're at in the overall crypto market and all the fear and uncertainty and woulda, shoulda, coulda. Should I do this? Should I do that? You know, you got to get away from crypto. You got to get away from stocks and all that at some time. So I probably apologize for the audio. That was somebody calling me, and it comes into my Mac, and I keep forgetting to turn off notifications when I'm recording. Just don't do it. That's all I'm saying. Please, please, please. Don't sell for a loss. Selling now for XRP is like selling Apple or Amazon or Microsoft in the early days, where you bought it so cheap and then you sold it cheap and you missed the real value and the real run up. It's not great right now. I'll see you.